Hi guys, welcome back to Flakback's channel. I'm Shaina and I'm here on this channel to do a series of vlog about my journey in reviewing for the Cisco CCNA. If you're new to our channel, please support us by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be updated whenever I posted a new video. And before anything else, I just wanted to invite you guys to please connect with me on my LinkedIn account. My name on LinkedIn is Shine Sawai. You can search it and connect with me and I will also connect with you. In that way, we will be kept connected with each other. And if you have personal messages on me or comments and any suggestion, if you need to reach out to me directly, you can feel free leave a message on my LinkedIn account. And the link to that is also on the description below. Make sure to check that out. And in this video, we will be just reviewing my mistakes on my CCNA quiz on Alphaprep app or alphaprep.net. If you're new to our channel, I already explained what is Alphaprep app and how can it help us on our journey in reviewing for the CCNA. Alphaprep is a CCNA test practice engine where you can practice yourself to answer the real CCNA questions. You can go to flakbacks.com/alphaprep to take advantage of this quiz. You can create your own quiz on this app and you can also do a trial of the real CCNA exam. So this is gonna be my quiz 19 on the Alphaprep, and this is on a hard setting with 10 questions. I tried to be brave this time by doing a hard question, guys. And the result of my quiz here is I got 6 correct answers out of 10. Not so bad if you will compare it on my previous Alphaprep quizzes. And let's check, guys, my mistakes on this set of questions. I got 4 mistakes here. On question number 2, the question is, what protocol is used by IPv6 on a LAN-based host to learn the MAC address of other hosts in the same subnet? I answer here ARP, but it should be letter C and DP. I forgot, guys, that ARP is on IPv4 and NDP is on IPv6. NDP or Network Discovery Protocol provides messages that replace the ARP request and reply messages in IPv4. I got also a mistake on question number 3. The question is, the table above represents a Cisco proprietary HDLC frame. The numbers represent bytes. What is the name of the field denoted with an asterisk? I answered here flag, but the correct answer is FCS. And it says here that the 6th field of an HDLC frame is called the FCS, or what they call the frame check sequence. It is used for error detection, and the table above shows an HDLC frame and its field. Each decimal number represents bytes. Please note the purple file. It is purple because HDLC frames do not have a type field. Cisco uses a proprietary HDLC field which includes a type field. So we should take note of this HDLC frame and I will include this on my review. And another mistake on question number 9. Here's the question. Which of the following IPv6 addresses appears to be a unique local unicast address based on its first few hex digits? I answered here letter A, but the answer should be letter C, FDAD, colon 1. And it says here that unique local addresses begin with FD in the first 2 digits. Another IPv6 question. And I've noticed that most of the Alphaprep questions or situations are playing around IPv6. And I am actually thinking if the real CCNA exam will focus on IPv6. I don't know, guys. It's just my intuition. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. And by the way, I also did a video about that issue. You can check the description below to watch that video. And yes, I should take note of IPv6. I need to be expert with that. And I got also a mistake on question number 10. And the question is, blank creates subinterfaces for each VLAN on the trunk and relies on each VLAN to have an IP address / subnet mask. My answer here is letter A. And honestly, I just guessed the answer here. I've heard that term 802.11 AZ when I'm on the VLAN topic. And that's the only term on the choices I am familiar with. So that's why I choose letter A. But the correct answer should be C. And it says here, the router on a stick, ROAS, or 802.1q, is a type of configuration that helps routers route packets to subnets associated with VLANs connected to a router 802.1q trunk. On top of ROAS creating subinterface for each VLAN on the trunk, it also inspects each frame for a VLAN ID and will treat that frame as if it came in or out that subinterface. I am reading VLAN topic for a while, but I failed to answer this question correctly. That's my mistake on quiz number 19. Let's check, guys, my other quiz. On quiz 17, I took that 4 days ago before I took quiz 19, and I got only 2 correct answers here out of 5 questions. And let's see, where did I go wrong? Question on number 2, suppose you would like to select a method to protect the privacy and integrity of wireless data. Which of the following methods should you avoid because it has been deprecated? The answer here should be A, TKIP, but I answered C, and it says here the TKIP method was deprecated when the 802.11 standard was updated in 2012. On question number 3, of the Cisco iOS commands that are typically used to view interface IP addressing information, which one shows only the address but not the mask information configured for an interface? And the answer of it should be C, show IP interface brief. And on question number 4, what type of cable is needed when connecting a wireless access point via an Ethernet interface to a PCN IC? This question should be an easy question, but still I failed to answer it correctly. I forgot that it's gonna be a crossover cable. As you can see, I answered here letter D, and I forgot that it should be a crossover cable. And I think I need to always remember those basic and easy topics like this before I became expert to those complicated topics. And that's all for my video today, guys. I'll be doing more of the Alphaprep questions. I will expose those questions on my next video so that you can also learn from the question and you can also learn from my mistakes. And you can also include that on your reviewer. And if you are now using Alphaprep, let me know your experience on the comment section so you can also inspire other students like us to use the Alphaprep exam. Please don't forget to follow Flagbox on our different social media accounts. All the links to that are also on the description below. Make sure to check that out. Like this video, share it to your friends, and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please also download the free lab exercises guide for free. The link to that is also on the description below. This is a free lab exercises guide that you can take advantage to practice yourself with Cisco iOS command on the packet tracer. And what else that I would like to say is see you on my next video.